Hi guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So very few days are remaining for Maharashtra MCA CET examination. Your examination will be on 26th August tentatively, which has been announced by Higher and Technical Education Minister Uday Samant. और अगर आपका एग्जाम जो है 26 अगस्त को नहीं हुआ तो सितंबर फर्स्ट वीक तक आ सकता है. So in this video I will discuss what are the plannings you need to do for these remaining days and how you will crack Maharashtra MCA CET examination and where you will get the study material, books, mock test. All these things we will discuss. We will discuss about motivation, we will discuss about your goal setting for these few remaining days. Okay, now before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for Maharashtra MCA CET, NIM CET and other MCA entrance examination. In this batches you will get live classes, books, shortcut trick, doubt classes, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made, 10,000 question for practice purpose, mentorship by our exam mentors. So you can prepare with us for MCA entrance for 2021 and 22. So what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now, call on 8828581455. You can also visit to our website manwaradio.com/MCA entrance. Now guys, let us discuss about preparation planning. Okay, so very first is study material. So right study material is very important for exam preparation. और जब आपके पास टाइम कम हो तो ये और भी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है, बिकॉज आपको स्टडी मटेरियल कंसाइज करना पड़ेगा, व्हाट टू स्टडी एंड व्हाट नॉट टू स्टडी. ओके, बिकॉज आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें पढ़ोगे एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप रिवाइज नहीं कर पाओगे, देन दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग विल बी प्रॉब्लमेटिक फॉर यू. नाउ एग्जाम क्लियर करने में के लिए राइट गाइडेंस इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड. जो मेंटर या कोई गाइड हो जो आपको टाइम टू टाइम बता सके वेयर यू आर डूइंग मिस्टेक्स. आफ्टर दिस टाइम टेबल. Okay, so timetable, how much time to given for each particular section, how much time to give mock test, कितने hours revision को देना है with respect to each section, mock test, revision and section topics like maths को कितना time देना है, English को कितना time देना है, computer concept को कितना time देना है. You need to make your timetable. After this, mock test is also important, because with mock test you will come to know what are the stronger areas or of yours, what are the weaker areas of yours. Complete evaluation will be there with the mock test, and you will learn about time management, that in the examination how much time it is to be given for each particular section, and you will be confident with the mock test. After this, revision. Guys, revision is the key, बिकॉज बहुत सारा डेटा आप रीड करेंगे एंड अगर आप टाइमली रिवाइज नहीं कर रहे देन यू विल फॉरगेट दोज इन्फॉर्मेशन. सो यू नीड टू रिवाइज. नाउ आफ्टर दिस, मोटिवेशन. येस, दिस इज द एग्जाम सीजन एंड you need to be motivated. At Manwar we have mentors which will provide you motivation if you are feeling demotivated, if you are feeling low. So talk to your mentors and they will definitely help you with respect to motivation. So motivation तो लगता ही लगता है to get the success. Now after this, goal setting. Your goal is to target top MCA colleges. Okay guys, you need to score 140 plus marks out of 200 for getting top MCA college. Top MCA colleges like VJTI, SPIT, Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Mumbai Educational Trust and many MCA colleges are there which will provide you very good placements. So you need to dream, you need to target top MCA colleges if you are preparing for Maharashtra MCA CET. Now guys, let me guide you where you will get all the study material, mock test. Okay, so this is our website manwaradio.com. Just click on buy online, click on MCA entrance. So this kind of a page will open. You will see full course, sectional course, mock test, books and study material. So all things you can get. Okay, so just click on full course, show packages. So this kind of a page will open. So over here, Maharashtra MCA CET 2021 program, and in this you will get video lectures, handout, 20 mock test will be there. We have MCA Turbo 2021 program for Maharashtra MCA CET, NIM CET and other MCA entrance examination. After this, if you want to prepare for 2022 program, so in this also we have video lectures, mock test and 150 mock test. We have handouts are there which will boost your preparation and you can get top MCA colleges. After this, we also have MCA Turbo 2022 program. In that you will get video lectures, mock test, 160 mock test plus handouts. So this is for MCA CET, NIM CET and other entrance examination. Now if you are lacking in a particular section, then we have sectional course. Click on sectional course, show packages, and this kind of a page will open. So in this MCA Mathematics and Statistics course is there, Logical Abstract Reasoning is there, MCA English is there, Critical Reasoning is there, NIM CET 10 years past paper is here, solution is there. So with that you will come to know which are the section to be target in NIM CET entrance examination. Computer concept sectional course is there. Yes, MCA का entrance है तो computer concept तो आएगा ही आएगा. Okay, and for 2022 also we have sectional course Mathematics, Statistics, Logical and Abstract Reasoning. English is also there, Computer Concept, Critical Reasoning for 2022. So these all things are comprising in a sectional course for year 2021 and for year 2022. Okay, now after this, books and study material. So if you want to read only from books, you can get a books and study material also. Just click on show packages. In this you will get books for Maharashtra MCA CET, NIM CET and other MCA entrance examination. If you want only e-books, then we have e-books facilities also for MCA CET examination. Now after this we have mock test. So if you click on just show packages, so with respect to topic test we have 48 quant test, logic 62 test, English 22 test. Okay, after this Maharashtra MCA CET 2021 mock test booster, 10 sectional plus 10 full length test will be there. So this is all about the study material, mock test, books, sectional course of Maharashtra MCA CET, NIM CET for year 2021 and 22. So you can get all the things for MCA entrance preparation. Now guys, if you want to prepare for MCA entrance in 2021 and 22, so you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number. Our team will help you if you want classroom coaching. So we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Guys, link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.